If your weather forecast is predicting high amounts of snow, it's time to prep your home. Here are some helpful tips on getting your home ready to weather the storm. I've always wanted to say that. Make sure you have these key supplies on hand before the storm for snow removal and ice melt. At least one good snow shovel is important. Choose a shovel's size and length depending on your height and how much you're comfortable lifting. In terms of blade type, flat shovels are better for cutting through deep snow drifts, almost like making broad strokes. Rounded scoops are better for pushing snow, creating a path and clearing more detailed areas. Applying ice melt prior to any precipitation can help when it comes to the removal process later on, as it will lower the freezing point of any water that hits the exterior surface. You might want to consider applying quick heat to your driveway and sidewalks to lessen the likelihood of snow collecting on those surfaces as well. Tossing up some roof pucks can help remove any heavy snow from the roof and decrease the chances of ice dams forming. Heavy winds and ice make power outages a common occurrence in snowstorms. Make sure your flashlights and other portable lighting solutions are in good working condition and you have plenty of batteries. Also, make sure to check that your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are all in good working condition. If you have a generator, make sure to check and test it before the storm arrives. Confirm that your generator power source is functioning properly. If it's gas-powered, make sure the fuel is stored in a safe, dry, and easily accessible place. You're also going to want to make sure that when the storm comes, you shovel and maintain a clear and safe path to access the generator. If you're concerned about losing power, it's a good idea to set the thermostat a little bit higher prior to losing any power, so your house absorbs as much heat as possible prior to the outage. It's also a good idea to keep a small preparedness kit in your car in case you need to head out during an emergency. A blanket, extra non-perishable food, a shovel, car window scraper, cell phone power pack, and signal flares are good items to keep in your trunk in a dedicated duffel bag or backpack. If you need more tips, advice, or help, you can always visit our YouTube channel, acehardware.com, or head into your local Ace Hardware, because Ace is the helpful place.